Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video I am going to discuss about CSS animation. CSS animation is a technique to change the appearance and behavior of elements in web pages. It is used to control the elements by changing their motion, position or display. What animation does? An animation makes an element change from one style to another. You can also add many properties you want to add. So how CSS animation works? When the animation is created in the keyframe rule, it must be bound with selector. Otherwise the animation will have no effect. The animation could be bound to the selector by specifying at least these two properties, like the name of the animation and next is the duration of the animation. CSS 3 keyframe rule. The animation is created in the keyframe rule. It is used to control the intermediate step in CSS animation sequence. During the animation, you can change the set of CSS styles many times. Specify when the style change will happen in percentage or with the keyword from and to, which is same as 0% and 100%. 0% is the beginning of the animation and 100% is the animation is completed. Next, CSS syntax of keyframe rule. First we add the keyword keyframe, then add the animation name, open the braces, and in between that we add the keyframe selector, and next we add the CSS style. Here are some animation properties. All these properties have different description. So like animation delay, animation direction, you can set all these properties. So we can take one example of this. Open the Sublime text editor, and here we add div selector. In between that we set the width of the div like 550 px, and next we set the height of the div. Next we set the background of the div like red, and here we use the animation property. In animation property we add the name of the animation, and next we add the duration of the animation. So we take one name like UI Ninjas, and here we set the animation duration like 2 seconds. Next we add the keyframe rule. So first we add the @ and next add the keyword keyframe, and here we add the identifier. It means the name of the animation that specify in the animation property like UI Ninjas. In between that we add the from and to keyword. Here we set the background red to blue. If you want to change the color of the div red to blue, so we add the background red, and in to keyword we add the background color, give the values blue. Here we create the div, add some text and close this div. So this is the code. to create animation. Save this file and see the result on the browser window. This shows the animation. Background changes red to blue. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in next video we will discuss about another example of CSS animations and different properties. Keep watching and happy learning.